What's happening this morning?
Well, it's me again, as you know. Guess where we are today? We're at a place where two blokes had a punch up, Ironside in King Canute. See, you can Google that and see where it is. We call it Battlesbridge. But come and have a look.
It's a
treasure.
true thing.
More people's bringing their cars than ever now.
It's real early. We've just got a few motors here already. But
P5
see
look
Autojumble, see what it's about.
Yeah.
A pretty cool sign.
June, Gaydon Motor Museum in Warwickshire. I don't know, I've never been there, but a few traveller boys and my mates, and they said I should do it, so I'm going to go down there. I think that, just have a look online, mate. I think it's June time. I don't know really, mate. Yeah. Oh right, okay, it's black, isn't it? Oh, is it? Oh yeah, I remember the van. Yeah, 150 a pound. But they're genuine. No, that's all I've got, mate. I've only got the one. I've only got the 1 pound. Yeah, okay. What mate? I've got the smaller front one, but I ain't got head.
Right, they're always quite clean, but right, you never get the cuts off. Always broke.
Oh, good value, isn't they, really?
Yeah. Nice one.
Right, this bit's you sure?
Oh, a 16 rock recover.
Yeah, some are genuine, some are. I've had the repayments put on. But you pick one and I'll.
New lady friend.
35 quid, you can take her home.
Ah, she's a bit not doing so well in the head department. Cole could do with these.
Nah.
Oh, hello, mate. What's that?
My mum used to go battlesbridge. She was
How's it going, fellas? Not bad. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's a plane, that one.
What? A plane. A plane one.
Sold the helicopter. Oh yeah. The helicopter.
Who remembers that then, eh? Show us the box mark. Show us the lid. Look at that. Bit of retro right there. Lovely old thing.
1976. You've been lucky. What's your mate's name? The one with the electric bit.
Bits of everything here today. Runs our little sailing trend, isn't it, eh? Few motors for sale. There you go. Cheap Saab. Nice thing for sale. £2.89. Old Rover. Pretty cheap old thing.
Oh, good. Oh, brilliant, right? Yeah.
Krishna, what's happening here? How comes you're on the table? Hey? Bend the skirts there, look.
Nice to see you too.
That's pretty cool.
On that Saab, yeah.
Yeah, it's only got one though, that's a shame. I've seen one of them for a while. Nice tank, isn't it? Look at that. Some cheap bits there.
Yeah, and we used to.
Can't go wrong. Some old crossroad bits. Crossroad and pre-crossroad.
So you got your own kettle set up there and everything?
Thank you.
No, yeah. No.
Once the engine's in, then I can start doing exhaust and all that.
Oh, cables. So is that dry sump? You're not using that one?
No, that's.
Oh, sorry.
That's normal.
Yeah, cool old book, isn't it? Don't see many of the old Cavaliers anymore, do you? We've been up to anything? It's neat, isn't it? That's a lovely thing, look at that, in black. It's really nice. Really breezy today. Calls that.
I like the bigger one though. I like the Ruby 7. They're all exactly the same. Yeah. Well, no, they do a Ruby convertible as well. Lovely little thing.
Nice, isn't they?
The inking under there is probably the same size as the
I like that as well. I do like the early stuff.